So here we have a 2012 Ford F150 FX4, and we have a P0457-00 EVAP system leak detected, fuel cap loose/off. So what the most common issue is this flap right here, and it gets dirt in there, and there's a little seal in there, and they make a funnel, so when you push to get gas, it pushes these two little ears at the same time, and then it opens the flap. We don't have the funnel, so we're going to use this pipe. It fits perfectly. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide it in, and we're going to push it in there like that, and then we're going to blow around it. And then we're gonna get some WD-40. So now we're gonna spray it a little bit just to lube it. And then you're gonna take this pipe, we're just gonna work it back and forth. What that does is it'll lubricate that seal, and that's how you fix that code. To be tuned.